Good morning, children. Now we will begin the second lesson of geography, location and extent of Brazil and India. See, children, this is world map. In this you will see India. Can you see this India? And this is Brazil. The whole year you will going to learn about India and Brazil. See, this is map of Brazil. This is the equator. Equator passes from the north of Brazil and Tropic of Capricorn passes from the south of Brazil. See, Brazil is located in the northern hemisphere of South American continent. Some parts lying in the northern hemisphere while most of the part is lying in the southern hemisphere. Children, you know there are 7 continents. So Brazil lies in the South American continent, in the northern part of the South American continent. The equator passes through the northern part and the Tropic of Capricorn passes through the southern part of Brazil, which I have just shown you now. This is India. Now this Tropic of Cancer passes through the center of India and Indira Point. This is the southernmost tip of India. So India lies in the southern part of the Asian continent. Indira Point is the southernmost tip of the Indian territory. It lies on the Nicobar Island. Then the Tropic of Cancer passes through the central part of India. Now, historical background of Brazil and India. Brazil was under Portuguese rule for nearly 3 centuries, while India was under British rule for 1.5 centuries. This you know, Brazil was ruled by Portuguese for 3 centuries and India was under the British control for 1.5 centuries. Brazil got independence on 7th September 1822 and India got independence on 15th August 1947. I think this sentence is clear to you. India got independence on 15th August 1947 while Brazil became free on 7th September 1822. Brazil faced many financial crises in post-independence era while India fought 3 wars and faced severe famine situations. After independence, Brazil had to face many financial crises while India had to fight 3 wars and faced many famine situations. Now we'll see some more information about Brazil. The national capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Then federal parliamentary presidential republic type of government is there in Brazil since 1985. Brazil ranks 5th in the world in terms of population. Then the famous sport of Brazil is football. Coffee is the famous agricultural good of Brazil, because of which Brazil is also known as the coffee pot of the world. Samba is the famous dance of this country. Now about India. As you all know very well, New Delhi is the national capital of our country. Federal parliamentary republic type of government is there in India since independence. India ranks 2nd in terms of population in the world. Then cricket is the famous sport played in India. India is famous for spices all over the world. Then Kathakali, Bharatnatyam, etc. are the famous dances of our country. Then current status of these 2 countries. From 1930 to 1985, Brazil was under a populist military government. Today, Brazil is considered as one of the contributing countries to economic growth of the world and a major global future market. So in the beginning, Brazil, as we have already seen, Brazil had to face many financial crises. But today, Brazil is considered as the most contributing global future market. Now about India. India is one of the major developing countries and considered to be an important global market. So today, as you all know, India is a developing country and India is considered as the famous global market. Many economic reforms took place in India which increased the rate of economic development. So right from independence, many economic reforms took place in India which made India the fastest developing country in the world. Okay, children, that was the end of the lesson. I hope you understood it. We'll meet next time with another lesson.